Cropping video on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to crop. Now you have the file here and you have the project here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the file that you want to crop. And once you click on it, on the far right, you're going to ensure that this button is enabled. It looks like an equalizer. And once it's enabled, you click on the file. You're going to see an option under it called crop. Now on the far right, you're going to click on show and it's going to open up some parameters that you can crop. Now for left, what that means is you're going to be able to crop the left side, and for right, you're going to be able to crop the right side, and likewise for top and bottom. So if you want to crop the top, what you're going to do is you're going to move the scale, you're going to toggle it from 0 and move it to where you feel like you want to crop. And once you do that, you can also do the same for the other angles of the video, and you're just gonna leave it like that, and your video should be cropped.
Now, once we share
Now,
it, once
if you export this video like this, it's gonna export just cropped as this, and that's how to crop video in Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.